Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Shahab Khan. This is our 14th lecture video recorded for 20 for grade 9 chemistry for University Public School and College, University of Malacca. In this lecture video, we will discuss the topic molecules, definition of molecules and certain examples of molecules. Let's start molecule. A molecule is the smallest existable part of matter. Smallest and existable part of matter is called molecule. Existable means to become stable in the environment. Matter is that thing which occupies space and having mass. When, for example, if we consider this or other metals, stone, these are made of atoms, and the atoms present in this makes molecules. Molecule is the existable stable form of matter. So the smallest stable part which exists in environment freely, that smallest part will be called molecule. It made of one atom or combination of atom, e.g. helium. In case of helium, there is only one atom. If we consider helium, neon, argon, in this molecule only one atom is present. So we can say that molecule may be formed by combining or by only one atom, while that of oxygen make molecules contain two atoms, e.g. hydrogen, H2. Oxygen atom, oxygen molecule are consist of two atoms. Similarly, this is not oxygen, this is hydrogen, so we can replace this by hydrogen. This is this by oxygen. So both consist of two atoms. This one is one atom, here is two atoms. So the molecule may be formed by combination of two atoms, or only one atom is also called a molecule if this is stable it's stable freely in given environment. This is stable and H2 is stable, but alone H is not stable in environment. Oxygen is alone not stable. So that's why we use H2O2 by following doublet rule and octet rule in case of oxygen and hydrogen. So when they become stable, this smallest part is called molecule for a given matter. It has confined limit. Ionic compound doesn't make molecules because the linkage is not limited, so we use formula unit for that situation. Confined means that ionic, that molecule, for example, if we consider H2O molecule, here is two hydrogen and one oxygen, three different atoms. So the limit of H2O is here. This is H2O molecule, this is H2O molecule. The limit of this molecule is known. We say that this molecule is started from this place and this is the whole molecule. This is the whole molecule. But between these two different molecules, here is a space. So we can say that this is one molecule, is another molecule. But in case of ionic compound, there is no certain limit. For example, if we consider sodium chloride, the structure of sodium chloride is something like this, that sodium chloride structure. If we draw, this is the sodium, this is chlorine, again sodium, this is chlorine, this is sodium, this is again chlorine, this is chlorine, this is sodium, and something just like this. So this is not confined to a single species. There is not a clear boundary between sodium and chlorine. So we pick up a smallest combination ratio, which is called formula unit. So that's why for ionic compound we can't able to write a molecule. There is no molecule for ionic compounds. So we use formula in for ionic compounds. It may be made of same atom or different atoms. For example, H2O2 O3. This is a same atom combined with same atom. For example, hydrogen combined with hydrogen, oxygen with oxygen, and oxygen with oxygen. These are homoatomic molecules, and sometimes different atoms combine with each other and make different molecule is called heteroatomic compound. The smallest, this is the definition on this point of view. On this points we can define the molecule something like this one. The smallest part of matter made of one or more atoms which retain their property and exist freely in environment is called molecule. And exist free mean to live their life without the help of others. So that's existable, that stable combination of atom, one atom or more atom is called molecules. Type of molecules. These are two different type of molecules: homoatomic molecules or heteroatomic molecules. Homoatomic molecules. Homoatomic molecule mean when same atom combined with same atom. For example, oxygen combined with oxygen is called homo. Hydrogen combined with hydrogen, homo. Chlorine combined with chlorine, homo. Sulfur combined with other 7 sulfurs, homo. These are made by same or only one type of atoms. That's why we call them homoatomic. In case of heteroatomic molecules, two or more than two different type of atoms combine with each other and makes heteroatomic molecule. For example, chlorine combined with oxygen make carbon dioxide heteroatomic molecule. H2O, hydrogen with oxygen, HCl, hydrogen with chlorine. This is a heteroatomic molecule. This is a short diagrammatic view of molecules, that how molecule is formed. Monoatomic molecules, only one atom is present here in this case. This is a monoatomic molecule made of only one atom. For example, inert gas, helium, neon, and argon. These are monoatomic molecules. The other one is diatomic molecule. Di means two, consists of two atoms that may be similar or may be different from each other. For example, H2, O2, N2, HCl. These are also two. These are two. These are two. These are two. For example, this is the structure of oxygen. Two different atoms combine with each other and make oxygen molecule. And the other one is triatomic molecule. Mean three different three atoms combine with each other and make a stable combination, which is called triatomic molecules. These, for example, H2O, carbon dioxide, O3. These are triatomic molecule. The other one is polyatomic molecule, mean many atom combine with each other to make stable combination is called polyatomic molecule. And for example, sugar, sulfuric acid, and sulfur molecule, S8. This is the S8 structure. This is the homework for students. Write molecule for sulfuric acid. Identify the molecule in the following and give reason: H2SO4, NaCl, CaCl2, H2O, CO, magnesium chloride, C6H6. The hints is, when you consider that the given species or the given compound is ionic, then there will be no molecule. If that is covalent, then of course it have a molecule. So identify the molecule and then send us personally or maybe in group. Thanks for watching this lecture video.